Greetings, Dirt Devil Vac fans. So I have sand, flour, and baking soda in that order from left to right. And guess where I'm going to put it? I'm going to put it under the carpet and see if this 120 some odd CFM Dirt Devil Classic can pick any of it up. Haven't done one of these in a while. Kind of looking forward to it. Now, if you remember, this machine didn't do that well with sand. So the agitation is kind of on the low end, but the airflow is on the high end. I'm guessing that the power nozzle sits more on top of the carpet than it does, say, down into the carpet, even with it set to medium as you see here. So let's see what happens. I'll do a couple of rows of this stuff. So hopefully that'll give us a better idea of what happens. That's plenty of that. Okay, this is flour. See, it's kind of clumpy. That's a big clump. That might be too big a clump. Spread that out a little bit. And lastly, we have the fine stuff, the baking soda. I'm not expecting much with the sand, but hey, who knows? So, yep, you can see that right there. We're going to do 2 full cycles at kind of a regular speed, and we'll see what happens. Away we go. Okay, let's see what happened. Hey, not bad, except for the sand. Let me move you a little bit closer. So this is what real high airflow can actually accomplish. So you see that right there? Got a little bit of the flour that kind of clumped. Otherwise, that's a pretty clean sweep. The baking soda, well, that's an even cleaner sweep. And here's the sand. So it tried with the sand, okay? It really did. It moved the sand, and you can see where some of the sand clogged right here in the carpet. See that red spot in the carpet? And you can see where, that's going to be baking soda for the most part, got mixed with the sand. So that's where, well, almost all the sand went. I don't think it picked anything up like that. But the baking soda, a little bit of the baking soda got mixed in with the sand as it literally picked it up and moved it. So, I don't know, that's some pretty interesting results. Better than most bagless machines that are lower CFM, to be sure. So, with some mixed results, this machine isn't half bad. Sand pickup? Nah, not so much. Baking soda? Great job. And flour, yeah, still pretty much a great job. So, Dirt Devil Classic fans, rejoice. This old machine from 1994 actually did fairly well considering its age. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more. Huh. Well, now I gotta go and pick up the mess I made. Can't just leave it there. So I wonder, do I have anything that would pick all that up? Maybe something that's battery operated. Maybe starts with a D. How about that, dude? It's a good surface cleaner. Let's see what I can manage here. Huh, that's on high. That's pretty good. Wonder if this will work or not. That's pretty good. And that little bit is left. Yeah, I think tight fit. I think this DC-35 picked everything up. Maybe along with whatever little stuff I had left in it.